Hello everyone, welcome back to AB Learners. Today we're talking about a topic that almost every English learner struggles with: how to speak English without fear. If you feel nervous, shy, or scared whenever you try to speak English, don't worry. This video is going to help you understand your fear and overcome it step by step. First, let's understand why we fear speaking English. Most of the time, the fear comes from the same reasons: fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, fear of wrong pronunciation, or fear that someone might laugh at us. But the truth is simple. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. Mistakes are not a sign of failure, they are a sign of learning. When you accept this, your fear starts to reduce automatically. The next step is changing your mindset. You must stop trying to speak perfect English. Perfect English doesn't exist. What matters most is communication. If someone can understand you, that is success. Speak English the way a child learns a language, freely, without thinking too much, without worrying about grammar rules. Children make mistakes, learn, improve, and that's exactly how you should learn too. Also, never compare your English with someone else. Everyone has a different speed and path. Your only competition is yourself. Now, let's talk about simple daily practices that remove fear over time. Start by speaking to yourself in English. Describe your actions like, "I am making tea," or "I am getting ready." This builds your fluency naturally. Use simple sentences instead of trying to sound advanced. Phrases like, "I think," "in my opinion," or "can you repeat please," are powerful and commonly used. Listening daily also helps a lot. Watch English videos, movies, short clips, or anything you enjoy. The more your brain hears English, the more natural it becomes. To speak English without fear, you must actually speak. Talk to a friend who is also learning English. You can both improve together without judging each other. Join English-speaking groups or apps where people practice daily. Start small conversations like, "Hi, how are you?" or "How was your day?" Once you start speaking, fear slowly disappears and confidence grows. When you make a mistake, don't panic. Handle it confidently. You can say, "Oops, let me say that again," or "Sorry, I'm still learning English," or "Can you correct me?" These lines show confidence, not weakness. People will respect you even more when they see that you are trying and learning. So remember, mistakes are normal. Fluency comes from practice, and you just need to start small. Speak every day, even if it's for just 2 minutes. You don't need perfect English. You need the courage to speak. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos on English learning and confidence, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to AB Learners. See you in the next video.